So I just got the makeup case I got from Woot that I talked about recently. It's from Aronium. I'm not sure. But it came in this nice dust bag. I got the black one. So this is the one that has like a mirror built in. So it's got these hinges. And then got the instructions here that tell you about like the lights. So it's got 3 different light settings: white light, yellow light, white warm light. So, and then it also has a charging indicator light. So the mirror itself, that portion, like it's adjustable backwards, forwards, all kinds of ways. I'll try. Oh. So this is the first light, second light, third light, and off. So you can change the brightness. That's all the way down. So then each light in the dim and then off. Nice. So we'll put up the, ooh, it's got the flaps here for your brushes. And it had, oh look, well there's the charger cord. It's a USB-C. But I put in here my other Woot purchase, which was the Pat McGrath foundation from the sale the other day. So I got light medium 11. I used the Temptalia Matrix foundation finder, where you put in a foundation that matches you currently, and it will tell you in other brands what would be good for you. So I wasn't sure if I would be a light medium 9 or 11. And it actually gave me both as options. So I figured they didn't have 9. They had 11 though. So I was like, I'll try it. For $29, I'll try it. So, very nice box here. But yeah, got both of these on the same day. I haven't tried it yet, of course, but we will see. But I like this. So yeah, you can clearly fit a box of foundation right there. And then, yeah, you've got your flaps. So it is like rigid in here. So this, like, you can't take the dividers out and change the configuration. So that's maybe the only downside, but it seems really sturdy and really well made. And let's turn the light off before we close it. I haven't even charged it. This is just how it came. It's already got some light. So it does come in white also, and it's still listed last time I checked. So check Woot if you want to get one. It's pretty, you know, not too heavy. I'm sure when you put stuff in there, of course. But yeah, definitely happy with my purchase.